Guys, today I wanted to show you a couple of outfits I came up with to wear this week. First one is this shirt. It's from H&M. I really like the print. It's kind of an off-white color with blue and red. It's a blouse. And I like the design on the back. I'm gonna pair this shirt from H&M with these jeans from H&M. They're like a slim fit. And I really like them. I really like the way they fit. They look good together. And I'm going to wear these jeans with my GGDB sneakers that I love. I like these because they're super casual, and I just like the way that they look. I think I'm gonna get another pair of, these are high tops, so I'll just probably get a regular pair for the spring and summer. The next shirt I want to show you is also from H&M. It's gray. I really like gray, and it has these little pearls. Nothing's on the back. I'm gonna pair that shirt with these jeans. These are my favorite jeans right now. They're really slim fitting. I love the color, dark gray, and I love the undone, what do you call this? Undone hem at the bottom. They're kind of raggedy a little bit, and I really like that. They're really slim fitting, and they're really flattering on the body. Next, I have this dress. This dress is also from H&M, but it's dark, so I wear it in the winter as well. Right now it's winter, and I just pair it with a pair of over-the-knee boots that you can't really see because the dress is so long, but I really like the look of it, and I put a belt around the waist to cinch it and to make it a little bit more flattering. But I really love this because I can wear it in the summer, and I can also wear it in the winter. Next, I have this sweatshirt that I really love. I got it at a Nine Inch Nails concert over the summer. It says Nine Inch Nails on the back, and on the front it says, "I'm not from this world." It's just a really warm, nice sweatshirt. Inside, I don't know what the material is. Let me see what it's made of. Oh, it's 80% cotton, 20% polyester, but inside it's really warm and smooth on the skin. But I'm gonna wear this with another pair of jeans from H&M. I really love these jeans as well from H&M. I think I've put these up before. I think these are mom jeans as well. I checked, they don't have this. They don't have them anymore. I really like these. If I keep checking their website, if they come out with more, I'm going to get another pair. But these also have the undone hem at the bottom, so they're kind of raggedy. I love that. And these are just a really flattering pair of jeans. Lastly, I have another pair of jeans from H&M. These are the boyfriend jeans. And they have this hole here. And they're kind of distressed here and on the back pocket. They're a little bit oversized, but I like how they look. I'm gonna wear these jeans with this sweater. I got this sweater from Mango, and I really dig the animal print on it. I'm not really an animal print type of person, I guess. I know a lot of people like animal print, but I really like this sweater. It's really cool. I get a lot of compliments when I wear this sweater, and I think I like that it's animal print, but the entire thing is an animal print. So you have the solid black here, and then animal print at the bottom. Yeah, I really love this sweater.